Welcome to the Shot English podcast. Speaking English isn't as hard as you think. In this podcast, we'll have simple, daily, and fun English conversations together. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. The best way to learn is by speaking.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 17 years old and summer is finally here. This year, I want to do many things during my summer holiday. First, I will visit my grandparents who live in the countryside. I love staying there because the air is fresh and I can see the stars at night. After that, I'm going to the beach with my best friend, Lucy. We'll swim, play volleyball, and take lots of photos. I also want to try surfing this year. It's on my bucket list. In August, I'm planning to join a short English course. I want to improve my speaking before school starts again. And of course, I'll read books, watch movies, and relax as much as I can. That's my plan. What about you? What are you doing this summer?